Excitement is building across Missouri as communities find new energy to develop creative solutions for lasting change. Through the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services Building Communities for Better Health program, 31 communities are working together on innovative community-led projects that invest in the future health and well-being of all residents. Their policy, system, and environmental changes assure everyone access to healthy foods, smoke-free environments, and spaces for active play, creating a culture of health that will last for generations. Inspired by a young student's passion project, Brookfield residents are working together to increase access to tobacco-free environments.
I had a student who wanted to pursue a passion. She had been to the park and had noticed a lot of kids vaping. She had noticed tobacco products like cigarette butts and spit and things like that on the park grounds. Our park is fairly new, and so it really upset her to go to the park and see that people were using it for tobacco. People responded really well, and it kind of took off like wildfire, her small thing.
I think all children should be in a smoke-free environment. I think the more areas you make smoke-free, the harder it is for people to find a place to smoke. Because if they came to the park with their kid and normally they smoked 5 cigarettes, well, now they don't.
Me being a runner, I need my lungs. That's a key component into running. And if I don't have my lungs, then I can't do what I love. I know smoking just makes it so much worse.
If I am around someone who's smoking or using tobacco, it kind of like my instinct is to stop breathing, you know? And I think a lot of people are like that. You just like hold your breath and walk by and it annoys you, and you hear all these horror stories about how like secondhand smoke is even worse. So the fact that we don't have a lot of tobacco around our community, I think really makes me feel much safer and good about where I live.
Having VCBH there, the program to help us, to guide us throughout the whole process, to provide funding, to be able to provide different things, services such as education along the way, helping with signage, like parts that we needed for that, for going smoke-free. You know, it's nice to have them backing us and being able to help support us and moving in the right direction. It was just wonderful knowing that it was not just us alone trying to do it and not have anybody supporting us or backing us with the decisions we were trying to make.
For more information or to get involved in the Linn County Building Communities for Better Health Coalition, contact the Linn County Health Department at 660-258-7251 or www.linncohealth.org.